In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to see your Epic Games email on your Nintendo Switch. Is it possible? Is it not? Let's find out. First, if you try to see your Epic Games email through your Nintendo Switch, you will notice that regardless of what you do, even if you open up Fortnite, for example, and try to go into your account settings, or if you go into your Switch account settings, you will notice that there is no way to see the email tied to your Epic Games account. The only way to properly check which email is tied to your Epic Games account on your Nintendo Switch is to actually use the Epic Games website. So, if there is a web browser on your Nintendo Switch, you can just go to the Epic Games website, or you can go to a computer and just log into the website instead. From here, click on your username and go to your account page, where you will be able to check which email is tied to your Epic Games account. Like I said, on your Nintendo Switch, even if you open up Fortnite or if you go to the console settings, you will notice that it's impossible to check your Epic Games email through there. The only way to properly know your Epic Games email is to use the website instead. I hope I was able to help you on how to see your Epic Games email on Nintendo Switch. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.